started a renovation project for the house in the summer of 2024 and installed the kitchen in January. So we've got the Helmsley Inframe range, which was one of my non-negotiables for the kitchen. The units around the outside are Mussel and the island is reed green, which had just become available when we ordered our kitchen. Yeah, so I did all of the planning, which was quite daunting. Like, it feels like quite a big, when you've not had any experience of planning a kitchen before. Had a fairly good idea of what we were going to do, and then after a visit to the showroom, which was really useful, made a few changes and adaptations, things that I thought I could negotiate on, and then actually after being to the showroom realised that they were pretty non-negotiable for having a kitchen that worked for us. It is a long drive to the showroom, but it was, I mean, if I was to give like one piece of advice, like if anybody's thinking about using DIY kitchens, it's go to the showroom. There's so many options, so being able to look at sort of how the different units work, the different layouts, and some of the adaptations, because they've got really good examples of that in the showroom, as well as some of the adaptations that you can, which we've actually done with our pantry unit. And it's lovely because there's tea and coffee and biscuits, so it's a, you know, and loads of people around to help as well. We had lots of questions, and there was always somebody available to give us a hand. We've actually got like slide and hide pocket doors in the pantry, and just because of the position of it, I knew that was going to be really useful to be able to push them back in, because we've got some of our appliances there and our coffee machine, which is used a lot in this house, and I got so much support from the online support team with DIY kitchens to be able to know what I needed to order to achieve that. Yeah, we did our utility as well, and that was the other thing, is that we were able to achieve what we wanted in here sort of well within the budget that we'd set for the kitchen. So we were able to renew the utility room as well, and we've gone for a slightly different range in there. So I think it's Cento in one of the natural oak finishes up top, and then Mussel Stanbury units on the bottom. Delivery was great, and I had loads of questions. I was a little bit concerned because we live quite rural. It's quite a small village, and although it does have a main road through it, it's often got parked cars either side, and our driveway's up a hill and narrow and all of those things. So I had lots of questions, and the online team were fantastic. I organised to have one of the smaller van deliveries just to make sure that the delivery was going to kind of go off without any problems, and they were fantastic. Got my phone call well over an hour before they were due, within the window. Yeah, they were great. The guys who came and delivered were fantastic. I mean, I can't believe the speed that the whole kitchen and the utility room came off the van. It's so difficult because I absolutely like this. I feel I've got a bit of imposter syndrome sometimes with this kitchen, because I just love it. But probably the pantry is my favourite. I pretty much planned the whole kitchen around having that pantry and having a coffee station within it, and the sliding pocket doors are, yeah, I love them.